Hi, I'm Sergey and I'm a software engineer with working experience over 10 years. Last time I hear a lot of statements that AI will replace developers, that developers not needed anymore, especially self-taught developers, only if you have some college degree or whatever. And I think it's not true, because passionate and experienced developers always will be in need. As Linus Torvalds, I believe that AI will not replace us, but empower us to be more efficient and more productive doing our daily job. But there is so much information out there, and it's really overwhelming to find really something useful if you're trying to learn something by yourself. That's why I'm here, and I created this channel for new starters like you. In this channel, I'm your guide in self-taught web development adventure. Why web? Actually, because it's the most popular niche right now, and it's relatively easy comparing to working with some systems or improving drivers for whatever operating system. But don't worry, we will start with fundamentals. I'll explain you how a computer works, some basics of every programming language, because main concept is the same. And a lot of programming languages looks the same, it's just a matter of syntax or some basic concepts of a language. Then we will dive into exciting world of the web. We will start with checking how networks working, how your browser renders websites. That means we will check HTML, CSS style sheets. We will build some dynamic websites with JavaScript, and I'll explain you everything from real basics to most advanced features of this dynamic interactions of the website. But we won't stop there. We will venture into the backend with a powerful language like PHP. We will check version control system Git and explore containers with Docker and Kubernetes. And yes, we will build real projects. We will start with pure PHP, then extend it with popular frameworks like Laravel or Symfony, learning best practices and industry standard approaches. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. This channel is about creating a community of learners, so share your experience, share your progress, ask questions, be curious. Hit subscribe button and let's start coding. Together we will prove that era of developers, especially of self-taught developers, is far from over. Patience, dedication and right resources can take you far. In the comments below, write me what sparks your interest in web development and what projects would you like to build in the future. I can't wait to see your responses, and remember, the limit is only your imagination. Let's code something incredible together.